How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Camaro done in a arrival blue, white stripes. Super nice little car. See, the bumpers all been re-chromed. It's original grill, all in excellent condition. I tell you, I really like the white stripes on this car. The paint on the car is super slick, nice, flat, smooth. Got your American Eagle wheels on it. I like the gray wheel against the blue, really looks nice. It's got your rear spoiler. You can see the tail lights have all been replaced, the housings, rear bumper. Good looking car, guys. Nice slick paint on it. They tinted all the windows in the car. Looks really good. I tell you, you can see how slick the car is down the sides. Nice and straight. It's got 327, 4-barrel in it. It's got power steering. Does have disc brakes up front. It's got the heavy-duty radiator. Tell you, real nice car, guys. Car come out of California. It's built in California. You see how clean the doors are. It's got the deluxe interior, which is really nice in these cars. Got your factory steering wheel and everything in it. Factory dash. Headliner looks like new. I tell you, I really like the deluxe seat covers. It gives a little style to the car. Got your factory console in it. Now, it does have a 350 turbo trans. They changed the gate and the indicator on the shifter like they should. See, the jams are nice in the car. Got the trunk mat. Very clean. All the original body panels, original floors in this car. Super nice car, guys. And these cars, you know, it's just getting hard to find nice cars anymore. They're really getting tough to come by. It's got a set of 6x9 speakers in the package tray there. It does have an AM/FM CD stereo mounted in the glove box. You can see the factory ones in the dash. You know, nice, looks nice. It's not all cut up. Center console, everything looks real nice in the car. Got the deluxe door panels, and these are the original door panels in this car, and they are very good condition. One small crack in the driver's side. Very nice car. Again, it's 327 4-barrel, 350 turbo trans. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds and the 2.5-inch exhaust out the back. It's a super nice little car, guys. Just get in this car, cruise it, enjoy it. You have to kind of bear with us today. This is the first day we've had some sunshine in a couple weeks. Just sounds real good out the exhaust. Very nice car, guys. This thing just ready to get in, cruise it, enjoy it. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.